Hey fam, welcome back to this particular channel. So it's your boy now do right here, and right now I'm going to show you guys how you can actually make money online from this particular platform ASAP. And right now this is the particular platform Charles platform, which is supercharles.foo. And right now let's start off with the verification and everything. Let's start off the sign up process. So first of all, you just come here, you put in your fix in your phone number right here. You type in your phone number, you type in this captcha, this particular captcha, any captcha you see here, you just type it here, and then you put in your preferred password, and then you use this referral link, or just click on the referral link in the comment section below, and it's going to take you here. Right now let's log into our account. All right, so first of all, immediately you log into your account, this is the first thing you'll be seeing on your account, which is true stability, time will prove, and so on and so forth. So right now, the only thing you need to know, I'm going to tell you a whole lot about this platform, things you need to know about this particular platform. So right here it says invest one and get one free, obviously. So it says the user can actually get free order with same deposit amount after recharging with on this particular platform. You understand? So which will be unlocked in 3 days, which is 72 hours, and the principal will be returned to the account balance automatically. I mean, it's very automatic. So the same time, and you can start making money for yourself. So that's it. And let's go back here. First of all, let's start from this particular spaces. So first of all, you need to know that yes, so it's actually an investment platform, actually an investment site. So you should actually do what you want to do with it. Yeah. So first of all, let's go back here. Um, if you come here to the more section, as you can see, it's going to be showing you everything here. It's going to show you invite link, referral link, bank info, where you're going to type in your bank lead and withdrawal accounts. And if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to be withdrawing my money right into my local bank account, and I'm going to be withdrawing it to my OPay account literally. So we'll see if it will come immediately. Let's stick around for that. And now, first of all, if you want to actually, if you want to contact their customer care, you can actually click on this online service and you can contact them. This is their Telegram channel also. And if you want to sign out, so let's go to the home page right now, and then let's see for ourselves. So as you can see, I have 10,000 naira here, and I'm going to be withdrawing it ASAP for myself. So you can actually try it out. Try it out with the link in the description box below. It's going to be taking you there. So first off, this is the team section. I have not really referred anyone yet, so that's basically it. As you can see, level one, you're going to be getting commissions. Level two is also we're going to be getting commissions and the rest. So let's go back, and let's show you guys a whole lot right now. I'm going to be showing you guys some things you need to know about this particular platform. So if you come to the withdrawal space right now, it says withdraw and share, and also there's channel here. These are all the things at top here. And let's show you guys how you can actually what's it called, how you can actually deposit. First of all, let's click on this one. Let's try to use this one. As you can see here, this is the payment site, this is the payment space where you can actually see the product details, sorry. And then this is the mutual funds. It's actually running for 500 days. All of the products here are running for 500 days. So there's this one where you actually deposit 2,700 naira. You're going to be getting 810 naira every single day for 500 days. Yeah. So, and as you can see, this is the profit which you're going to be getting here. Um, First of all, let's click on pay. As you can see, you're going to either pay in A or pay in B. So you just confirm, and let's click on. You can actually click on invest now to actually deposit. So that's how it is. And second of all, you can still come here. This is the second plan, which is 4,800 naira, and so on. So that's it. You just come here. Please follow this step. As you can see, you can actually fill in your what's it called, your details. And after filling in the details, you transfer the money ASAP. And after transferring the money, you'll be credited into your account ASAP without any loss. And that's it. You just click on invest now. So let's try this one. Let's click on invest now and see. I'm not going to be investing, I'm just going to be showing you guys how you can actually deposit your money into this particular platform. So let's wait for it to actually load, guys. Just give it a while. So as you can see here right now, we're already at this space, and as you can see, there's also a time down here, so you should know you should do it very fast at this. So yeah, this is actually the space, and then you just transfer in this amount. You can actually copy and paste ASAP into your bank details. You clicking pasting your sender's name right here, and then this is the account name, sorry, the account number, and this is the bank and account name. It's actually Money Points Bank, and then this is the account name you're going to be seeing. So you just click on I have paid, and that's it. So let's go back because we're not actually depositing anything, because I already have some cash here which I'm going to be withdrawing in the at the end of this video. So please just stick around to this video. So this is the 500 days. All of them are 500 basically. So this is the one which you're going to be getting 1,488 naira if you invest 4,800 naira. This is the one you're getting 3,000 naira if you invest 9,600, almost 10,000, and you're going to be getting 3,000 naira every single day. So in a week, you should know that you're already getting your um profits. You're going to be getting almost your what's it called, your investments back. So that's it, down to this particular space where it says this amount. I want to make sure it's but yeah, it's actually there. And then let's go back to where it says share. This is where you can actually share the referral link of the platform, and then this is it here. I'm going to be dropping my referral link in the description box of this particular video, so you can actually click on it and register. After that, as you can see, this is the channels here. It's going to be taking you back to Telegram, where you can actually join their channel. The channel link is also going to be in the description box of this particular video. So back to the moment of truth. Let's actually withdraw our money to see for ourselves, right? So yeah, let's first of all, you come to this place where it says bank info and type in your bank details. So this is my name, and so this is my name, and then my bank details is here. And then let's go to withdrawals and show you guys how you can actually withdraw your money directly for yourself. So you go to the home space and then you click on withdraw. So after you go there, you just come here to click on withdrawal amount. Let's withdraw everything and see if it's actually possible to withdraw on this particular platform, right? Okay, so moment of truth. Let's click on withdraw. Okay, so it says withdrawals have been processed. Please be patient. Okay, let's just give it a while. As you can see, this is 11:12 right now. Let's wait for it a while and see how long it will actually take. All right, guys. So I just received this notification right now. That was like 2 minutes ago. And then this is the pay stack stuff. And yeah, they actually took out some charges. Yes, I know they actually took out some charges, and as you can see here, it's already successful. So yeah, basically, and I didn't really still lose that much. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to this particular channel. As you can see, it's already shown here that it's legit. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you when you see me. Peace.